Assalamu alaikum. Today I just come to you with another tutorial. This tutorial I will tell you how to redirect your blog post to another blog or another link. This is not full website. I will tell you how to redirect any of your blog post to another website. This is nothing, just simple, just copy and paste. This is my code. I will give you this code in description. No need to worry, just download and copy and paste. Okay, let's do it. Just click on this edit option and the HTML, click on HTML, then paste this code. Okay, just paste. Now I need to need to copy link and go to ADFly. Okay, and just log in. Okay, I have to has paste it and short it and copy. Okay, fine. And I have to just have to paste here my link here also. Okay, now update. Work done. I changed this link. Now view the site. Okay, let's see what happened. Sorry, I will just change these sites, not this one. See, you actually change. Skip ad. Click on skip ad. इसको एलो भी करना पड़ेगा. एलो नहीं किया तो रिडायरेक्ट नहीं होगा. ठीक है, काम तो हो गया. मैं आपको दिखा दिया किस तरह से आप इसको रिडायरेक्ट कर सकते.